Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this XP Days filler number 2. Look for top 3 spots. First gets 6, second gets 3, third gets last. We are live. 213. Got the list here, 10 entries, Pete on the top, Carmel on the bottom, 82 dice, 5 or higher. We got 6 times. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. You got Sheldon, Corey, and Sharon on the top. Must go 6. Good luck at 214. 214. Last and final roll. Top 3 spots we're looking for. Congratulations goes to Jerry, Sharon, and Bill. Or Brian, excuse me. Congratulations, you 3. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won. We are done at 214. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Take care.